A very good afternoon to everyone. I will be explaining the topic Rectus Abdominis. The Rectus Abdominis muscles is also known as the ab muscles. The origin of this muscle is from the pubic crest and pubic symphysis. As for the insertion, it is in the 3-point process and postal cartilage from 5, 6, and 7th grade. The nerve supply for the muscle at Rectus Abdominis is Thoracoabdominal nerve, which is from T6 to T12. As for its action, it performs the flexion of the vertebral column, comprises the abdominal viscera, and maintains the posture. On to the next, we have pyramidalis muscle. It is a small triangular muscle which is anterior to the rectus abdominis. As for its origin, it's in the pubic crest and into the linear alba it is inserted. And last of it is the nerve supply, which is anterior lamina of the lower thoracic nerve. And now for an interesting fact, the pyramidalis muscle, it is an evolutionary link between us and marsupials. In marsupials, it helps and supports the pouch of the marsupials, while in humans, it is a remnant and non-essential part. Thank you.